today I'm going to tell you something about skates. There are two types of skates, like inline skates and roller skates. Inline skates have wheels which are like this. But roller skates have wheels which are like in a square shape. I'm not saying the shape of wheels. I'm saying the wheels are like this. The wheels go here, here, and here, and here, like a square shape. So, look, you see this little rubber thing? It's called a toe stop. But roller skates have toe stops which are in the front, but inline skates or rollerblades have toe stops in the back. Let's try out, but first you need safety gear like this helmet. You also need knee pads, wrist guards, and elbow pads. Let's get started. Wow, my magic worked! Okay, this is the step how to get up. First, put your right hand like this, then do like this, then put your other hand like this, then like this, and you have get up. Now I'm ready to inline skate. I'm not fully trained yet, but I'll do more practice. You know guys, practice makes it better. Let's start. Let's go over there. Come on, Ibrahim. You can do this. Yes, sometimes in life you get lost. You have to try something new. Like this. Like a clap. Clap, 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 I'm doing it. Roll. Now I'm a crafting spin again. Roll. Yes. Yes. We're here. Okay. Oh, I know. I'll use my toes like this. Now I stop. Let's go. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Oh! No! Nice! Okay, let's do that thing again. Let's go. Don't keep walking, just let go now. You're stopping. Let's go a bit faster. There we go. Haha, I made it. Now let's do it again. I'm a crab, pinch, pinch. I'm a crab, pinch, 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 pinch. I'm a crab. Now roll, 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 and roll. Da 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 da. Roll, roll, roll. La la la. Let's go again. You see, I'm doing lots of practice. Remember, guys, that I said you earlier? Practice makes things better. Yahoo! Keep going until we made it to the finish line. Yay! That was so much fun, guys. But sorry to say, but this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is type my name. You know my name? Yes, let's type it together. Ibrahim, Ibrahim, and WORLD, world. Bye-bye. I'm going to roller skate back to the finish line. I hope no other players win.